everyone, I'm Nusrat from TutorWiz, and today we are going to understand units of measurement. What are units of measurement? Units of measurement are nothing but the standard units that are used to measure length or weight. What is length? What is weight? Let's understand one by one. Length is nothing but the distance between 2 points. We measure length in kilometers. We also write kilometers as km. Meters, centimeters, which can also be written as cm, and millimeters, which can also be written as mm. These are arranged from largest to the smallest. You have made use of a ruler for measuring things. You know, a ruler is something that looks like this. And on the top, it is divided into centimeters. There are markings at equal distances, and each distance represents centimeter, 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, and further this centimeter is again divided into 10 small units which indicate millimeter. A millimeter is the smallest of this all. For example, millimeter, if you want to see what can be of a size of measured in millimeter, you can see a size of a pea. Yeah, the vegetable pea, a small pea, can be 5 millimeters. If something you think to be measured in centimeters, the pencil that you're holding in your hand or a pen you're holding in your hand can be of 10 centimeters. A ruler, a small ruler that you usually use, is of 15 centimeters. Then meter is bigger than centimeter. You use meters to measure cloth, the length of your bed, the length of your table, and many more. And kilometers is more than meters. So you use kilometers to measure distance between two cities or two countries, or you can also use kilometers to measure distance between your house and your friend's house. Suppose I say my friend lives 2 kilometers away from my house. So that's quite more distance. I cannot walk. I need a bike to go, otherwise I'm going to get tired if I go by walking. Now, what is the relation between these units? You need to understand. Let us quickly write it down. Kids, remember 1 kilometer equals 1000 meters. 1 meter equals 100 centimeter. And 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeter. If you know this, you can easily compare. If you have two things, if suppose I say, is a kilometer greater or is 900 meters greater? I know a kilometer is actually 1000 meters and here I have 900 meters. When you're comparing, make sure that both the things that you're having should be of the same unit, either meters or either kilometers or either centimeters. Now I have 1000 meter and 900 meter. As I know 1000 is greater than 900 meters, that means 1 kilometer is greater than 900 meter. So this is all about length. Now let us understand about weight. Weight tells you whether the given item or an object is heavy or light. And we have a weighing scale to measure weight. Like we use a ruler to measure length, we have a weighing scale to measure weight. Weight is measured in kilograms and grams. They can also be written as kg and gm. Let us understand the relation between kilograms and grams. That's very easy. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. Now, understanding weight is very important, especially when you go to the market to buy fruits, vegetables. You always have to tell the shopkeeper whether you need a kilogram of apples or you need 5 kilograms of oranges to make orange juice, right? So, understanding weight is very, very important. Now, how do I decide whether a given thing should be measured in kilograms or grams? Very easy. The heavier the item or the object, you have to measure it in kilograms. Let's go for an example. If suppose I want to weigh 3 watermelons, or you want to weigh yourself, I want to weigh myself. I know the weight of 3 watermelons or myself, my weight is going to be heavier. So I weigh it in kilograms. But suppose I want to weigh just a small cupcake. I know a cupcake is very light in weight. So if it is lighter, you can just weigh it in grams. Similarly, what we do is, if there are lighter things, if suppose you want to just weigh a small feather, it's so light, so you're going to measure it in grams. If the things are heavy, you go and measure it in kilograms. And how do you compare them? You have to remember this rule: 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. Suppose if I want to compare 5 kilograms and 4000 grams, let me quickly convert this 5 kilograms into 5 kilograms. I'm going to convert it into grams. So as I know 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams, 5 kilograms will be 5000 grams. So here I have 5000 grams and here I have 4000 grams. So 5000 grams is greater than 4000 grams. That means 5 kilograms is greater than 4000 grams. So this is all about weight. So we have understood measuring length and measuring weight today.